Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I have a different kind of unboxing. I gave in to the internet and my mom and ordered a pair of Rothys. I know, can you believe it? My mom ordered a pair, so she got a coupon when she ordered hers, and after being tempted by the internet and then having $20 off, I just couldn't help myself. So, I don't know what you know about me, but if you've been watching me, you know I lean towards basic blacks and things like that. So my starter pair of Rothys in here should be a nice basic black. Look, they have their blue is, I think, their thing that they're known for. And they put that on there, I guess, so you can just pull the box open. And it worked. Pretty blue ribbon. Box now open. Ta-da! I know, there's no ta-da yet. It's just nice paper. Oh, they've got it nicely. And my shoes. Just your basic pair of black Rothys. So what I thought I would do today is get on, show you the unboxing, and try them on, which I know they fit because before I ordered them, my mom and I happened to be the same size shoe. Before I ordered them, I tried hers, and I really liked the way they felt, which is why I decided to order them, taking all the stuffing out of them. So this is your basic black pair of Rothys. I got the rounded toe, and I like that even with the rounded toe, you've still got, I hope you can see this, it's the point. The inside still comes to a point, so it's kind of slimming for your foot. And they have, I think all the Rothys maybe have this blue stripe on the back. And I noticed when I ordered it for like an extra $5 or something like that, you can get a different colored insole. That wasn't, at least this first time, anything I had any interest in, but the bottom is nice and rubbery. Let's see what they say about use and care. Their claim to fame is that they're both recyclable and washable. I have to tell you, I don't think I've ever had a pair of washable shoes before. I'm gonna throw my glasses on. Machine wash cold, no bleach. Air dry only, do not dry clean. Remove insoles prior to washing, use delicate setting and mild detergent. And then it tells me how to return if they're the wrong size. The inside of the box says, we're so glad you chose the goodness of Rothys. Together we've saved over 10 million. Yes, 10 million, I had to math out those commas, water bottles from winding up in landfills. Let's keep bettering the planet and looking great doing it. I love that. So let's slip them on here. They feel good. Feel a little bit bigger than my mom's did, but they're comfy. I'm gonna take my camera down now and see if I can show you guys what they look like on my little feet. So this is just it on my little foot. It's just a basic slip-on skimmer. Like I said, it's got the round toe, but it's got this nice pointy part here. So it's kind of a little dressier. So that's my feet in them. They fit nicely. So I'm gonna wear them around the house for a couple days to be sure I want them, and then I'll wear them out. After I switched my camera back, I just did a lap or two around my house, and they are so comfy. It's just like having slippers on. So I can't imagine I'm not going to love them. The only question is they're both 8s. Mine and my mom's are both 8s, and these feel a little bit bigger to me. But that could be because it's early morning here and I was end of day after shopping at her house. So it's probably a me thing, not a the shoe thing. But they were super comfy. So I will wear them out and about in my life, and then I will report back to you on how I feel about the Rothys and let you know if the internet's steering you wrong. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed the first portion of this video. I really wanted to get out there and take them for a walk because they're not inexpensive shoes, and I wanted to be sure and let you guys know everything I could find out about them. Also, as I started wearing them, and spoiler alert, loving them, I went out and did a little more research, so I have a little more information. Let's start with that. Rothys come in women's and children's shoes, and in the women's styles they range from about $125 to $165, and it comes with free shipping and free returns. They have 4 styles: the flat, which is $125, the point, which is basically the skimmer, the flat, but it comes to a point at the top, so it's a little dressier looking, is $145. The loafer, which I think is probably my next purchase, is $165. And a sneaker, which has the thick bottom, looks kind of like a Van type style shoe, is $125. So they're not inexpensive, but a lot of times you can find coupons for them. Like I said, I purchased them because my mom purchased them and she had a $20 coupon. It's definitely worth going out and checking out the internet and seeing what you can find. They come in a lot of colors and patterns, and they have replaceable insoles for $10. And in the beginning I was like, why would you just want a different colored insole? Which I guess you could just purchase a different colored insole. Like I have the black shoes. If I wanted something to flash red when I took them off, you could do that, and they're $10. But the main reason is because they're washable, they last for so long that you might actually wear out your insole. I don't know how long that would take. Mine still looks brand new, so I would think a long time, but they do sell them. For them to be returnable, you can't have worn them out. So I was so nervous to wear them out the first time because it's like, okay, I've worn them around the house. I know they feel comfy around the house, but as soon as I walk out this front door, I own these babies, so am I committed? I finally did it, and it was so worth it. We spent a day at the mall, our first outing, and there was zero discomfort. They're so comfortable. And as a rule, I always love the look of other people in, I want to call them skimmers. It's probably because I'm an old person, but in flats. But when I wear them myself, you know, I tend to have a little bit of backache and that kind of thing. So, and when I wear skimmers, it seems to be worse. And so I'm always hesitant. But I had no issue with these at all. They were so comfy. I guess in the insole, it absorbs, and the sole also was fantastic. I did a deeper dive into the brand because part of what this brand stands for is recycling. They're trying to be eco-friendly. They want to make shoes that you love, but they also want it to be good for the environment, the planet. So this is what I learned when I got onto their website and did a little bit of a deeper dive. Not only, and I got it back out because I had still kept it, not only are the shoes made of recycled bottles, which on the inside of the box, I read at the top that it said that they had recycled more than 10 million water bottles. Now it's up to 25 million. They just haven't upped the box. So that is incredible. But the box is 85% post-consumer waste recycled also. And they've made it so that if you want to return it, which like I mentioned, free returns, it's just got this little slip across the top, and they say you just, and now on returning it, you don't have to add any tape. So it's just that much more environmentally friendly. The shoes are made of recycled water bottles, which are heat treated, sterilized, and then blended with a fiber. And it's a 3D blending knitting process. It's totally worth, if you have any interest, going on the website and seeing how these shoes are made. Because of the way they're made, there's no waste. They're 3D made, so they're literally made to a form. So there's no cutting and material waste. And they say the outsoles are made with recycled, carbon-free rubber. These are my shoes after I've been wearing them for a while. I know, but they look brand new, so you won't even know. And like I said, they have the blue on the inside, which is Rothy's signature mark, and on the back. The bottoms are just like they said, the rubberized outsoles, but look, they look brand new still. I mean, these things are gonna wear like iron. This is just the basic black flats that are $125, but I had a $20 coupon, so they were only $105, which I know is still a pretty pricey shoe. I get that. But I find it so hard to find a shoe that is comfortable, that I want to wear, that looks cute with everything. I mean, I've thrown that on with capris, and I wore it to church with a little dress. They're just so wearable. I can't decide if my next pair is gonna be a point or the loafer, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it in linen because here we are at summer. You wouldn't know that today if you were looking out the windows like I am, because it looks like it's getting ready to rain. But it'll be perfect for summer with capris and dresses, and I really am enjoying them. So I wanted to come on and let you guys know that I've gone out there, I've worn them. They're so good for the environment. They're definitely worth going on the website and checking out. It's just rothys.com. I'm not at all sponsored or anything, obviously. I just am really liking the shoes, and I wanted to come on and let you guys know what I thought. So I am a size 8 shoe. I bought a size 8 shoe, and it is a perfect fit. I would not have changed a thing. I wondered when I first put them on, they felt a little big, and I thought, but it was just because I was just standing here not doing anything. It was first thing in the morning. As I wore them and lived my life, they were the perfect size. So they are true to size. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming by. If you have any interest in these and I haven't answered your question, please let me know. Let me know below. Have you tried the Rothys? Was your Instagram inundated with the commercials until you gave in like mine was? Ads. I guess the young people don't call them commercials. The ads like mine was. I have to tell you, if my mom hadn't tried them first and then had the $20 off coupon, I don't know that I would have ever pulled the trigger on them, but I am so glad that I did. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.